Here's how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Now, first head into the settings. We need to make sure a couple things are turned on and you have enough space to back up your phone. To be able to do it, let's tap on your name at the very top and then iCloud. Once we're in here, we'll tap on storage at the very top. This is key that you have, of course, enough storage in your iCloud account to be able to back up your iPhone. You can see here, I have 4 terabytes because I share this with my family, and I have plenty of storage left. If you don't have it, you can tap on change storage plan, and then you can just buy a bit more storage. However, let's say you've already taken care of that and you have enough storage, but you want to make sure everything is backed up. The first thing I would make sure to do is make sure all of those things are backed up and then go through the process of backing it up. So we want to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. We can do that by tapping back, and tapping on save to iCloud. And you can see on here, all of these things should be on. So make sure everything is toggled on, indicating that it's going to be backed up to the iCloud when you back up your phone. And in some cases, it's just automatically synced with iCloud in real time. Another place to check is let's go back, tap on iCloud backup, and then at the very bottom, tap on all device backups. This will show you your most recent backup. And again, on here, you want to make sure everything is toggled on, indicating that you're backing up everything. Again, I don't want you to lose anything if you were to delete your iPhone or lose it or sell it or give it away or something like that. So make sure everything is toggled on. You can see all of mine are turned on. Now, it's pretty easy from here. All we need to do is go back and tap backup now. You'll be able to see it says estimating time, and it will go through the process of backing it up. I would highly recommend doing this regularly, or if you just toggle on backup this iPhone, if at the very top that is turned off, just turn that on, and it should automatically do this whenever you plug your phone in. Usually at night when you're charging your phone, it will just automatically back it up for you.